This is Lee. And as I was showing in one of the other videos, I mentioned about APRS. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the computer screen, go to my web page, and we're going to check it out. Now the noise you hear in the background is the different stations out there that's packaging in APRS. Now let's bring that camera right down so you can see that I'm using a regular old radio tuned to frequency 144.390. That's a packet station right there for APRS. Okay, so we're going to turn that down, just like so. And we're going to move over to the computer that I have set up for APRS, which is the white one. The black computer is set up for Echolink, and I'm running Echolink on the APRS, next to APRS, and there's several reasons what I'm doing here. Now this is my web page. You can go to W1 LWT, and on the web page you'll see where is Lee today. And normally what I've been doing in the past is running -1 to the one that I take backpacking, traveling around, working, whatever it may be, vacationing. But temporarily, because of the snow and because I'm testing other equipment and updates in my battery packs, I want to make sure everything's working before I go in the field again with it. So temporarily -1, and in the future we'll bring it over to another like a -2 or -3 for the base here indicating Echolink. Now on my page I have it linked, so when you click on it, it goes to a website which is findyou.com, and it has all the information. It has my call sign on there, as you can see. And let's see, next to the call sign it talks about TCIP, that's the icon I'm using, my location, and from my station to over where the server is, which is KQ1L. And over here, this is the line that I have listed as for Echolink 147.420, which I have it on a simplex frequency, no PO tone. The node 4233344. Okay. And then this was the last time that it packeted, 16 minutes ago, 9 seconds, which is roughly about the time I was out there connecting it, testing it on the last video. Okay, we're going to slide this page right up, and now we're going to look at the map. At the top of the map, as I mentioned, it's fun to see the satellite view, and then you got the map view. Over here on the screen is where you can get closer or farther away. This information here is the same that you saw in the last one. So the first thing I do is I X that out and get rid of that. Bring the page up centered to my call sign, which you can see right there. Now what I do is I click right below it, and I get myself zoomed right in to the location on the map. When I get in so close, let's go ahead and go over to the satellite view, which is right there. Click on the satellite view, and now it brings up the Google map showing the area. Now right where it's listed at, TCIP IP, that's my icon with my call sign -1. APRS is tracking me right now, automatic packet reporting system. And if you click on that again, right below it, get a little closer again, and now you'll see right down to the farm field, you'll see where it's packeting at, and that's where the trailer is located out in this area, my camping trailer. But when this picture was taken, and I can backdate this to about 10 years ago, this picture was taken roughly when I first moved into this area here from another location, because I can look at the picture and I see my van, my boat, and other items I had stored here in the process of moving into the farm. So that kind of gives me an idea that it was about 10 years ago. And there's my house. Now when it's normally packaging off W1 out WT, it will show my vehicle in the driveway. But as you can see, it's down here. Now the purple line, now since satellites are moving and the Earth is turning, I got this on a GPS right now, so you're going to see the line moving like that, indicating, wow, I must be moving. Well, I'm not moving. It's picking up the satellites, but the GPS is located inside the trailer. Reflection from the glass between the GPS and the satellites and the distance and everything kind of indicates it looks like it's moving, but it's still showing right where I should be. Now that's a quick explanation right there. Oh, it just packaged it again. So let's go and zoom down. And as you can see, all that information I mentioned earlier, the Echolink 147.420, the node number for Echolink 4233344. Now, what type of information is that good for? Why I have my Echolink station? Because anybody that wants to use it in the area that wants to link into Echolink, and let me go to the map here. There we go. And then we're going to zoom out a little bit. And we're going to show in the state of Maine. We'll X this out. I am next to several different towns. This shows the whole state here and a little bit of New Hampshire. I'm located on I-95, in between 95 and Route I-295. I'm kind of halfway in between there. So let's get a little closer and you'll see that. You'll see other packet stations out there, other APRS stations. You'll see them popping up. There's one in town here. Oh, and now this refreshes every 5 minutes or so. So you kind of have to live with that. There we go. We'll X this out again. And there's the other station, N1ZRL-1. He's got a digit relay for packet. So I'm packeting over to him sometimes, and then it gets relayed into the internet, back into the system. So anybody can see about where I am. And that's where I'm zooming into right there. As I was showing on the earlier view, as I was backing out on this, here's the state of Maine. There's Bangor, and there's Portland. There's Augusta in this area, Lewiston, and Bath. And as you notice, I'm located halfway in between. So my Echolink station, and I've drive tested and I've checked this whole area out, I cover over 50 square miles of Echolink that you can link up to it. So I figured if I post it on APRS, people can see my node, they can see where I'm located, and try Echolink out. And have a good time working the world from a handheld. And we'll show that in another video another time. Okay, that's the basics of APRS. Instead of getting into the theory, the breakdown on it, which we can have other videos on that later on, but that just kind of gives you an outline of what APRS is. Another form of mode of communications for ham operators. W1 LWT 73s. I'm not out of here because I'm here. Take care.